Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel once again. In this video I'm going to show you how to make different necklaces with macrame using t-shirt yarn mostly. Okay, so if you're new here, my name is Tsungie. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can see more of my video. So for this necklace I'm using t-shirt yarn, 8mm hollow beads. You will need a needle and some thread. You need a measuring tape, and you need 2 colors of t-shirt yarn. So to begin, I'm going to show you how to make this the black strand. So to do that, you're going to take 6 pieces of t-shirt yarn, 6 pieces, and these 6 pieces they'll be around 2 meters. Then you make a knot, make a simple knot like this, right? Then after you make a simple knot, you're going to braid these 3. Like this, simple braid. Like this. Okay, so let me braid it a little bit more, then I'll come back. Okay, so continue braiding until your string is 75 centimeters long. So now after you do that, you're going to make another knot on the other side. So now we're just going to unravel this knot so that we can put our 2 beads, these beads here. So I'm going to unravel this one, and I'm going to put these 2 beads. Then you put your beads. After putting your beads, you're going to tie it a simple knot at the end, like this. Then you simply cut the excess. After that, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to make a braid with 6 threads, and this time you're going to make the strand to be 195 centimeters long, right? So that will be approximately each strand will be about 5 meters long. Okay, so we're going to take our braided strands like this. Just going to join it. You fold this so that it's this length. Then what you're going to do, you're going to take this one and you put it beneath like we've just put this one. Then you're going to stuff it inside. Then we pull. Pull it tight, right? Then what we're going to be doing, we're going to be putting this one beneath these 2 like this. Like this, to form a curve like this. Then you're going to take this and you stuff it inside and pull. And pull. So that's all that we're going to be doing. Put it beneath these 2 like this, then you put it inside and pull. Continue doing that. Put your longer thread, your longer strand beneath these 2 like this. Then you put it inside, like on top like this. So you continue doing that, so it's creating this braid. So I'm going to do all the way here and I come back. When your 2 strands are almost finished, this is the shorter one, you're going to sew this one onto your black. Nothing fancy, just sew it on. Let me quickly sew it on. Okay, so before you sew this one, this green one onto this one, first just pull your what you call it, your black strands, so that they are the same size. And I forgot to put this bead, one bead this side and one bead that side, so I unraveled to take this one out and put it this side. Okay, so after that you're going to just sew on your, going to sew it on, you're going to sew this one onto this one. After sewing it on, you're going to cut the green. Sorry, my scissors is not sharp. Okay, so now we're going to do one more. We're just putting this green under the black, then we'll put it inside like this. Now push everything together. Take this one and you're going to stuff it under these ones. If you have a crochet hook, it will be easier. You can just use your scissors. Keep stuffing it under these ones. Okay, so when you've stuffed it like 3 or 4, under like 3 or 4, then you can cut. Then you just cut this. Cut it as close as you can. Then you can reshape your thingy. After that, you can pull down your bead. I'm going to transfer this one to this side. Okay, so after you put your bead, at this point your necklace is done. It is finished, and you can make it in different colors like this. I'm going to move on to the next necklace. The next necklace I'm going to show you, you're going to take 4 meters of t-shirt yarn, 4 strands. You're going to fold those 4 strands into half. So when you fold those 4 strands, it's 4 meters into half. Then you're just going to go to the middle and you make a simple knot. Okay, let me redo the simple knot. You go to the middle, then you make a simple knot like this. And your simple knot, you want some of that, you want to leave out some of, just want to leave a hole like this. Make it tight. So after you make a simple knot like this, separate your strands. You should have 4 on one side and 4 strands on the other side because you folded. Put your beads on one side of the yarns with the 4. Now what you're going to do, you're going to leave this much out and you're going to hold this part. You're going to form a circle, almost like a 6, and we're going to lift and pull like this, form a circle, and we're going to put our finger inside and pick that. So that's 2. Put our fingers inside again and grab. That's 3. Put our fingers inside and grab. That's 4. Put our fingers inside and grab. That's 5. So it's forming a braid. After the 5th, what we're going to do, we're going to put our beads down like this, right? Put our finger inside and we're going to grab as we were doing. After grabbing as we were doing and making sure that our beads are out, we're going to insert our finger inside again and going to stick it out, so that will make the beads to be protrude outside. So we're going to start counting again. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After 5, we're going to pull our, after the 5th, we're going to take our yarn and we'll put it out like this. Like this. After that, make sure that the 2 sides are the same. Make a knot, a simple knot, and pull. Like this. So I'm going to cut some of this off. After cutting that, we're also going to cut here. Doesn't have to be exact. Then you make a knot. Then you can just tidy that up by cutting. So this knot would go into this here, into this place here. So your necklace is done. It's the same necklace as the one that I've just shown you, but I just sew some sequins on so you can do different things than I twisted. But basically it's the same concept, same thing. Okay, that's it for me. Thank you so much for joining me. Look forward to seeing you in my next video. Okay, bye-bye.